60 seconds, rear discs and pads on Mk7 Transit. Take the wheel nuts off. I've used Impact, sprayed them with WD-40 first, soak for half an hour. Wheels off, note the orientation, outside wheel, inside wheel. Side wheel, inside wheel. I need to take the handbrake off. I have jacked up off the diff to chock a front wheel. Cool. 12mm caliper slider bolt on the back, 19mm on there to hold that, and then guys, squeeze and we're released. Undo, and take out, and remove the other one as well if you need to. Caliper should come off. Take this one out and remove the back one. Guys, wind the piston back in. I use a piston rewind tool. Sometimes I use a G-clamp across the back and the front and then just twist it by pliers. Are exact with the old ones. Slot them in, make sure these are clean. Right, all clean. Let's get that on. Those two slots need to be vertical with the caliper, then it will go on. It's got two little studs on there. Change this, caliper off, shaft out, slip them round. And tighten them up, wheels back on, bit of grease on the studs, away we go. Boom, boom. Job done. If you're doing driver's side, wind it clockwise. Like, share and subscribe.